Hello class. This video is going to focus on adding and subtracting fractions with common denominators. The goal of this video is I can add and subtract fractions that have a common denominator. And you want to open your packet to page 13 and you're going to take notes. Okay, we're going to start with adding fractions. And again, these will all have a common denominator. It is different if they don't have a common denominator. So for now, for this video, all the problems will be similar. So how to solve? Number one, we want to start by adding the numerator. Now remember, the numerator is the top part of the fraction. Number two, keep the denominator the same. And the denominator is the bottom of the fraction. And then reduce if needed. So you always want to reduce fractions if you can when you are working with fractions. So in this example, we have 1/4 plus 1/4. So I'm going to start off by adding the tops. So 1 plus 1. And then the bottom stays the same. So that's 4. So 1 plus 1 is 2 over 4. And then I can reduce that. So I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 2. And I get 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 1/2. Okay, the next problem we're going to do, we have 2 over 6 plus 5 over 6. So we're going to start off by adding 2 plus 5, and then put it over 6. Again, the denominators will always stay the same. 2 plus 5 is 7 over 6. And that answer is perfectly fine. We don't care if it's an improper fraction as long as it's reduced. The next problem, we have 7 over 8 plus 5 over 8. So we're going to start by adding 7 plus 5, and then all over 8. 7 plus 5 is going to give me 12 over 8. And I can reduce that. So if I divide each by 4, I have 12 divided by 4, which is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 3/2. Okay, 2 more problems. I want you to pause the video here, do the problems on your own, and then when you're ready, start it again to check your answers. So the first one, we have 3/4 plus 1/4. So we're going to do 3 plus 1 all over 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 over 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. So that reduces to 1. And the last one, 2/15 plus 3/15. So we're going to start off by 2 plus 3 all over 15. And then 2 plus 3 is 5 over 15. We can reduce by dividing by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So we get 1/3. Okay, that is the end of this video. Remember, in order to move on from the video, you have to get at least 75% on the quiz for this video, and then you can move on to practice.